topic. How come? Can it be a topic or not? What is this? For kindergarten student, for example, take up. What is this? So that's what color is it? Right, blue. Do you like this duster? Maybe a little bit higher classes. What is it made of? What is it made in? And so on. What is the use of the duster? And so many things. Even to advanced level, you can use this. How to produce a duster? This advanced, yeah? So, don't think of the material, teaching material. Just prepare yourself to teach better. Whatever you do, teaching is only telling stories of structure and vocabularies. If you don't know structure well, stop being a teacher. Or learn. Frankly speaking, learn. Yeah, because to be a teacher is easy. Being a teacher is difficult. To be a teacher is easy. Being a teacher is difficult. Everybody can be. To be a mother is easy, right?